Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15-foot x 42-inch Prism Frame Pool Set with filter, ladder, cover, ground cloth, and robot vacuum cleaner. Prism frame pools are enhanced with strong, powder-coated steel tubing. They're durable, easy to assemble, and ready for water in just 45 minutes. The liner is stylish and constructed with puncture-resistant, 3-ply material for years of backyard fun. The included robotic pool vacuum keeps your above-ground pools water crystal clear and uncloudy, letting you dive in on a whim and take the edge off the dog days. Product benefits. The Intex pool comes with a cartridge filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, debris cover, robot vacuum cleaner, and instructional DVD for setup and maintenance. An affordable and easy to set up is ready for water in 4 to 5 minutes. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.